Hey guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make the entire Windows Explorer, a file explorer translucent for free. So the first thing that you need to do is open your browser and then find Explorer Blur Mica download on Google, and in here you can just download it. So for example, here this is the file for the Explorer Blur Mica. Just click on the file and click on download, open the folder, and now unzip it. So just click on extract here. Now you can just click on release in here, and let's try to click on this configuration settings, and for the A in here, let's try to turn it into 0. Okay, now close it, click on save, close it, close the file explorer and open it again. Sorry. So as you guys can see here, my Windows file explorer has become translucent like this. You can see the background at the back. So that's basically all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on